stroker crank. It is stroked to a 2 liter, not a 1.8. It's got skunk tube cams, tuner series stage 2. It's 10 to 1. It's got a comp 6.266 turbo on it. Jason Smuck built turbo manifold, precision 44 millimeter gate, 44 millimeter. No, I think it's a 40 mil blow-off valve or 50 mil. I think it's a 50 mil. What else? Full 3-inch intercooler pipe in and out, 4-inch core. What else? Stock GSR trans, LSD, stock flywheel, has a fluid damper, crank pulley on it, Brian Crower adjustable cam gears, Victor X intake manifold ported to 80 millimeters to match the throttle body. I'm using Fuel Injector Clinic 1050cc injectors with an AEM rail, AEM regulator, and a Walbro 450 pump. 6 AN feed, stock return. What else? The head does have a Thrangle valve job on it. I did all the porting and polishing myself. I did all the assembly myself. The engine that's been in this car has been in this car since 2014. I built it in my bedroom. I had my buddy's machine shop clearance it all, and then I took it home, did all my final clearancing, and then assembled it. I'm using ACL XP bearings, race bearings. What else? ACL ported oil pump. Just basic stuff, nothing crazy. It is bored out to 81.5 millimeter from 81. And the engine motor, whatever you want to call it. Everybody calls it engine motor. It's so diverse today. People are just going to be assholes and say what they want to say. Motor, engine, etc. But the block has been line bored, so it does have ARP mains. It has the good 625 L19 head studs in it. It does have the big boy rod bolts in it. I mean, I've turned this thing to by about 10,200 RPM on the data logger, and everything seems happy, no valve float. It is running 105-pound Supertech valve springs, steel retainers, Ferrea 6,000 valves. I mean, it's got all the goodies. Ferrea keepers. You know, it's a solid runner. Like I said, this motor hasn't been apart in 10 years. And JE Pro Seal head gasket's been holding everything down along with them L19 head studs. So it's pretty good, solid, basic, bulletproof combination. The block has been sent out to CSS, Cylinder Support Systems. My boy Jeffrey hooked me up. Got the big high horsepower package. So it's good. It's good to 900. I wouldn't feel comfortable pushing over 11, but that's just me. I'm about to get some petrol real quick.